Do you want to plan for today's trade? Hi, I'm CA RUDRAMURTHY, author, trader and trainer, welcomes you to this very special pre-market report. Yesterday, Nifty from the lows closed at the highs of the day and attempted very close to those zones of 15,850 to 15,900. However, if you see now, after US market when Dow Jones was down over 400 to 450 point, SGX Nifty is indicating a fall of more than 150 point. And today market will be opening around 15,700. Now if you see crude oil from levels of 108 to $110 per barrel, it is again back above to levels closer to 116 to $118 per barrel. Also, if you see, the most important news now is dollar rupee and dollar at all-time highs, whereas rupee is depreciating very steep and fast now, which was stable for a very long period. If you see now, $1 is at around closer to 79 rupees. In fact, yesterday's closing was 78 rupee 90 paisa or very close to 79. Now the question is how to plan for the next trade and what to do at current level. First, let me discuss about the sector which is outperforming, and that is definitely automobile. Look at all the stocks like M&M, which I recommended at around 1000 rupee, crossed over 10% and above 1100 right now. Look at even stocks like Maruti, which I recommended at 7700 to 7800 level, crossed even 8500. That is a move of around 800 rupee per lot. And let me tell you, just one lot of Maruti, if you would have bought, which is just 100 quantity in future, the money what you would have made just for one lot of Maruti is 80,000 rupees. Even if someone had just about 10 lot, he would have made 8 lakh rupees. The return ROI on Maruti just one lot in last around 1 to 2 weeks time, not even 1 month, for just about 2 weeks time, the return on investment on one lot of futures, even if you would have traded, you would have made 80,000 rupees per lot. And let me tell you, in percentage terms on your capital invested, it is again closer to 70 to 80%. 70 to 80% return people are ready to take for 2 to 3 years, or in this falling market, many people want at least their capital protection, which is getting eroded or it is getting lost. And these type of returns, if you are making in this kind of a tough market and a bad market, that shows about your stock selection and deep experience and expertise in market. And that is the return what Maruti gave in just last 15 days. Also look at Hero Motor Corp as well as Tata Motor. They have also outshined in a big way. But for me, Tata Motor is a stock which is yet to fire in a big cylinder. And let me tell you, on the upside, still lot of space is there in Tata Motor. So Tata Motor was at around 380 rupees when Maruti was at around those levels of 7,700. But Maruti has outperformed in a big way. Tata Motor is yet to catch up, and it will do in the series of July. So one can definitely look at taking a positional long bet on Tata Motor, and especially on markets like today when we are having so weak opening, these are stocks where you can look at buying. And let me also tell you, on Nifty, 15,700 is a very crucial support. And today we are opening around 15,700 after a 150 point gap down open. But the big question is, will we hold 15,700 on a closing basis? So do remember, today when we close, if Nifty is able to hold 15,700, then I say yes, still the up move in market is intact. Short sellers beware, and this is not the place to short after a 150 point gap down open. This is where people have to understand risk reward, and most important, you cannot be right on every trade you take. It is not there in the game. But the question is, are you able to consistently call the market right most of the times? And more important than that, are you able to make money overall in the market? You cannot make money on every trade you make, but are you able to make money overall? I know some trollers, one day if you are wrong out of 10 days, they come jumping saying that today you are wrong, but the same trollers, when 9 days you are right out of 10 days, they will be applying Bernal. So you have to understand, these people are always there, their work is to troll, but our work is to make money, and this is where right learning and information is very, very important. So I have spoken to you that Tata Motor can be one stock, positionally you can go long, Nifty till it closes below 15,700, still this is not a good time to short. And after 150 point gap down open which you are seeing in SGX, today going short definitely does not give a good risk reward. Result season is also upcoming. You have to closely watch that. Dollar always, which is now strengthening and rupee depreciating, is good for IT sector, but however only based on this one dollar rupee variant, you cannot go and bet only on IT stocks. You have to see even how results will come from IT stocks, especially TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Technology. All these are important ones what you have to see. Banks will also be on the radar, and for me, any weakness in market will give you classic opportunity to buy banking stocks which are available at mouth-watering levels. And let me tell you, stocks like ICICI Bank, Axis Bank and HDFC Bank, I'm not talking about today's intraday trade, but any correction in market, these are great companies to buy even for a long-term investment portfolio at current level. And even those who trade in F&O, these are stocks which you can consider to buy when market gives you dip. But do understand, take the responsibility in life, learn the market and understand your time frame, your position sizing, your risk management. All these play such an important role if someone wants to make profit in market overall. And also if you see, for me Reliance is another big dark horse which will play very positive till the results of Reliance. But positions are taken by a lot of good people on the long side much before, and current price of around 2,500 is a mouth-watering level for Reliance. Slowly on any weakness in overall market like today offers a great opportunity to buy stocks like Reliance, to buy stocks like Tata Motor, to buy stocks like ICICI Bank and even HDFC Bank, Axis Bank. These are all stocks which you should never go on the short side. Also, any dip in Bajaj Finance for a trade looks good, but in all these counters, don't pick up only one counter and say that this stock did not perform. Make a basket, make a group of these shares so that overall your portfolio makes money. Automobile sector, especially Maruti, Tata Motor, even Hero Motor Corp and M&M, these stocks on any profit booking and correction, like today we are seeing this 150 point gap down on SGX, any profit booking correction in this sector will offer a fresh entry point for people who have missed the bus. And I'm sure this much of input coming to you every day in the pre-market is really assisting you to be better than where you started in terms of market understanding. And do watch this video again and make lot of notes in terms of the new learnings what you are getting in market. All this coming to you from Rudramurthy, and I want each one of you to join hands with me to help spread right financial literacy by forwarding this video to as many people as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off, Rudramurthy.